Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. There's a term in cooking called the smoke point of a cooking oil. That's when the oil gets so hot it starts to break down, burn, and smoke. And I think people are like that too. We have points where we get so frustrated or angry, we start to break down, burn, and smoke, and that's not a good thing. I notice it's typically when a core or important value of ours is being challenged or threatened in some way. So how do we avoid that? The first thing is to be super clear about what your values are. What are the key things, the principles that you live by that guide your life? I have those written down on a sheet of paper that I use every day to map out what I'm going to do that day as a reminder to myself. The second thing is, if you're in a situation where there's a clear conflict between your values and another person's, to get out of that, better yet, avoid those situations altogether. But if you're in one, for example, if you're in sales and you're selling a product you don't truly believe in, the chances that you'll have really good days is not too high. So you might want to get yourself out of that situation and find something in sales that matches what your beliefs are better. The third thing is, if you're in a situation where you can't necessarily get out of it or don't want to get out of it, but there's a clear values clash there, be clear with other people about what your values are and what you will or won't do in accord with those. In life, as in cooking, it's usually better if you don't hit that smoke point. Rise and Whine is weekly. I hope you'll join us next week for the next episode. If you like this one, please like, comment, or share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.